In today's video, I'm going to show you how to structure your Slack channels the right way so your workspace stays clean, organized, and easy for everyone to use. If your Slack feels messy, cluttered, or hard to navigate, this simple structure will make a huge difference for teams of any size. We'll walk through how to create channels properly and how Slack helps you organize them by purpose, like help channels, project channels, or team channels. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Slack and make sure you're inside the correct workspace where you want to organize your channels. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Channels section. This is where all your public channels live, and this is where structure really matters. A well-organized channel list makes it easier for team members to know exactly where to post messages and find information. Next, look for the plus icon next to the Channels section. Click on this plus icon to start creating a new channel. This is the starting point for building a structured Slack workspace. When you click the plus icon, Slack will prompt you to create a new channel and choose how it will be used. Now pay close attention to the channel name field. When you hover over this section, Slack provides helpful suggestions and options that guide you in structuring your channel properly. You'll see options that let you categorize the channel as a help channel, a project channel, a team channel, or other common use cases. This is extremely useful because it encourages consistency across your workspace. For example, help channels can be used for asking questions or getting support. Project channels can focus on specific initiatives or deliverables, and team channels can be used for ongoing collaboration within a department. Choosing the right structure at this step helps everyone instantly understand the purpose of the channel without needing extra explanation. After selecting the appropriate channel type, give your channel a clear and descriptive name. Use simple, predictable naming so people can quickly scan the channel list and find what they need. Once you're happy with the name and purpose, finish creating the channel. Your new channel will now appear in the Channel section, organized and ready to use. By repeating this process for each new channel, you create a Slack workspace that scales smoothly as your team grows. Clear channel structure reduces confusion, minimizes off-topic conversations, and saves time for everyone. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, Slack helps you structure channels in a way that keeps communication focused and efficient. If this video helped you understand how to structure your Slack channels, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.